So we're going to warm up the body for balance. So we're going to start just bringing our fingertips to our belly and just breathing by pressing the belly out into the fingertips and then exhaling it back in towards the spine. One more time, bring it out. In. Drop the hands down, palms up, and inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale them down. Same breath. Inhaling, pressing the belly out, lifting the arm. And exhaling it down. Inhaling it to the front, exhaling it into a fold. Arms behind you, reach the arms forward, up to standing to go back. Come back to center, arms out to the side, twist to the right. Back at the right arm. Back to center. Twist to the left. Back at the left arm. Come back to center. Drop the right hand down, the left hand up. Reach up and over to your right. Breathe. Come back to center. Drop that left hand down, the right hand up and over to your left and breathe. And come back to center. Drop the hands down. Reach the arms up to the ceiling and drop down to what we call a chair pose. Just dropping down. You're sitting in an imaginary chair. And then come back up. Take another back down. Come back to center. Bring the hands down.